Let's take the next question. This is from Avdish Thakur, and he wants to know on NTPC Green Energy that has made its debut today. NTPC Green has made a positive debut. It went up further, almost 10 odd percent, right in the first half an hour of opening as well. Let's see how it is trading at right now. It's day one, 12.5% higher, so it's further pulling up in trade. Your own sense on NTPC Green, particularly at 121. There was not such an expectation that the debut will be absolutely stellar. It was a flattish expectation, and that's what turned out. But sooner or later, the company has also, the stock has garnered more pace on day one. How would you advise investors here?
Definitely, as the investors, definitely who has a viewpoint of more than 2 years can hold on to the stock. I believe next 10 years is going to be of the power sector, because the way power sector is growing, and especially renewable energy, I believe they are going to be the new multi-bagger sector. So as an investment point of view, definitely you can hold on. I believe good market sentiment in the last 3 days have helped them to debut at a good rate. So hold on if you have invested and at a lower level. As a trading perspective, maybe we could wait before entering, but as a long-term perspective investor, definitely hold on.
Okay, long-term investors can definitely hold on to this one. This is a story that will definitely get you greater returns in the long-term frame, because renewable energy is going to be key focus area for the country as a whole, as a lot of developments are also expected here. We have another question that's coming in on NTPC Green now. This is from Manikanta from Hyderabad. He says, I've got allotment of NTPC Green. 2 lots is what I have. Would you advise me to book profit or continue to stay on? It's a tough one to answer. On day one itself, you're getting 12% kind of gains. It actually depends on you, whether you are a short-term investor or you actually can hold this stock for the absolute long term. Kush also mentioned that this is a long-term story in the offing. But for those who had got the IPO allotment, any partial booking profit kind of a advice would you be extending, or is it best to stay put?
I think I would suggest to hold on. I think that it has a long-term story. Definitely, we may see some downside also, but why take a risk if you have got at a IPO? Just hold it if you are an investor. But definitely, if you are invested just for IPO gains, then maybe you can book 50% as you have got 2 lots. So you can book 1 lot and you can hold another lot for long term.
Okay. There's also a question coming in from Venkat on the parent firm, NTPC. And he's bought the stock at 390. Now he wants to know, his view is for 3 years. Should he hold on, or should he exit at the current levels? What is your view on NTPC, 369 or 370 right now?
Definitely for long term, maybe it's a good stock to hold on. Only concern right now is, it is trading below 380, which is a 200-day average. So unless it is trading above 380, I won't get some confidence. Maybe it remains sideways. But as you're a long-term investor, you can hold on. It is a good dividend paying script. So if we see some more downside, we may average it at that time. So hold on, enjoy the dividend payout, and maybe after 3 years, definitely we are going to see good levels.